So another thing that bothers me is that the cheap part disaster. I call it the cheap pass disaster. Cheap part disaster. So as a country, I find that we are so obsessed with price. CNC we already talked about, but a lot of other places. The person taking a decision isn't aware, but he's always pushing L1. So can you give me, in your long career, examples of somebody or a customer who compromised on price and had to pay a much more larger price?
Not only in the past, it is happening today. There are companies in China who make look-alike products and put Yuken label and sell it in the Indian market.
That's in fact my next question.
Okay. So they sell it in the Indian market.
Right.
Now, when this happened, initially we lost a lot of business. But we told all our customers and all our distributors that that is not a genuine product, and please be careful. We would not recommend you are buying those just because of price. Some of them did, and they suffered, and they came back to us.
Right.
You have to be patient. You have to take the hit initially, but ultimately customers recognize quality and come back to you.
I mean, this counterfeit product part is it's contagious, and it has been growing. And I know people who would import parts from China and just their manufacturing process is nameplates. They make nameplates and
put whichever brand you want, they'll make and give you. But you look at a parallel. The auto part industry is a similar problem of spurious parts. So it is there in every industry, and we got to tackle it the best we can.